Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're dealing with the P1000 error code on your vehicle's dashboard, don't panic, we've got you covered. This code is common in modern cars, especially after 2025 models, and it's all about your OBD2 system. Let's break it down step by step so you can understand, diagnose, and fix it quickly. First off, what does P1000 mean? It's an OBD2 diagnostic trouble code that indicates your vehicle's onboard computer hasn't completed its drive cycle tests. This often happens after a battery replacement, a system reset, or even a software update. Essentially, it's your car's way of saying, hey, I need to run some checks to make sure everything's okay. Now, let's talk about symptoms. You might notice the check engine light illuminated on your dashboard, but surprisingly, your car could be running just fine. In some cases, you may experience minor issues like reduced fuel efficiency or occasional stalling, but it's not always a big problem. What causes this error? The most common culprits include a recent battery disconnect, which resets the computer's memory, incomplete drive cycles from short trips, or even faulty sensors that prevent the system from finishing its diagnostics. If your car has undergone recent repairs or updates, that could trigger it too. Luckily, fixing P1000 is usually straightforward. Start by ensuring your battery is fully charged and connected properly. Then, try completing a drive cycle. Drive at a steady speed for about 10 to 15 minutes, including some acceleration and deceleration to let the system run its tests. If that doesn't work, use an OBD2 scanner to clear the code and monitor for any repeats. In more serious cases, you might need to check for other error codes or consult a mechanic to inspect sensors or the ECM. Remember, while P1000 isn't typically urgent, ignoring it could lead to bigger issues down the road. Always drive safely and get professional help if needed. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more car tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.